I think when we listen to people and we don't think it can happen, it can if you ask for help. So as case managers, if somebody asks you for something and you don't think it's going to work, ask a coworker. Maybe we can figure it out together. It does take a lot of time, but the benefit is it saves time in the long run, because you're giving people what they want, and you're getting people in situations and providing resources that they wanted all along. And so then your time is, you're not having to do as much work. An example of that is I work with a couple individuals who were, they live in their own townhouse, and they're pretty, independent, if that's the right word. They're pretty on their own, but they depended on staff regularly, daily, for transportation to and from work and to their grocery store and such. And with our staffing crisis out there, it was very difficult. The staff wouldn't show up, and then they wouldn't get to work, or they wouldn't get to the groceries. And so I get calls and emails and texts every Monday, like clockwork, on who didn't come in and what they needed help with for the week. And they were very frustrated and felt neglected and left out and hungry, and they have to get to work. And so they came up with the idea that they should be able to use Uber. And of course, I had no idea. This is a while back. I knew what it was, but I don't know if we could use it. And so I was able to connect with a provider who agreed to do Uber for us. And now these two gentlemen do all their transportation, all their shopping, and all their to and from work with Uber. And I don't get a phone call. They're not dependent on another human being. They're, in the service field. And they're showing up like everyone else when they show up to work into the grocery store. So, and their staffing hours were like 10 hours a week are down to 2. So it's not only cost effective and time saving and person centered, it's all around great for everyone. So just by listening and taking a risk and trying to figure out how to do this has made a huge difference for these guys.